In this video, I'm going to show you how to unhide comments on Instagram. So it's really simple to do. What you want to do is go to your Instagram and go to your profile. You can find your profile from the homepage on the bottom right corner. And you just want to go to the picture that you want to unhide your comments. Maybe you hit it or maybe you hit it by mistake. So I'm going to choose this one here. And what you want to do is just click on the comment icon here, and that'll bring you to all the comments. So when you have hidden comments, you'll see that it'll say underneath all of them. And depending if you have a lot of comments or not, you might have to scroll through them all. But go all the way down to the bottom and you'll see hidden comments. So go ahead and click that. And then it'll show you the comments that are hidden. And all you really have to do is go ahead and simply hit unhide. So once you hit unhide, it'll ask you to confirm, you hit unhide, and then the comment comes back and it's public and it's there for anyone to see. And that's how you do it. That's how you go about unhiding comments on Instagram. So I hope this video helped you out, and we'll see you in the next one.